We set out to find the best dog bowls for every canine, using our own dogs as judges. There are many products available to choose dog bowls, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best dog bowls from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Our Pets Comfort Diner Elevated Dog Food Dish. An elevated food bowl can put a little less strain on a tall dog, as they won't have to lean over during mealtime. The bowls in this set are spacious, each holds just over 5 cups, a huge perk given that our dog, Charlie, drinks a ton of water. Charlie also likes to push around his bowls before he eats, but this bowl's design prevented that, as well as any scratches from the bowl sliding across the floor. Charlie is a larger dog, and the elevated stand created a comfortable dining experience because he didn't have to bend over to reach his food. Made from durable plastic and stainless steel, the bowls are dishwasher safe. This feeder stayed fairly clean and didn't show any signs of wear after testing. As a bonus, there's a slot to place an upside-down water bottle to continuously refill the bowl. Number 2. Bonza Large Collapsible Dog Bowl. A collapsible dog bowl is great for travel, but it's also an asset if you live in a city and take your dog on long walks without a lot of water access. Just bring a water bottle and a collapsible bowl. We tested the large size of the Bonza dog bowl and loved the spacious capacity. It was easy for even a small dog 20 pounds to drink from and didn't make noise like metal bowls sometimes can. The lightweight design is great for carrying around. We clipped the bowl to our dog's harness, and she carried it without issue. It proved easy to wash, it's dishwasher safe, and didn't show any signs of excessive use after our test. Plus, it comes with a water bottle holder, which is a nice addition. Number 3. Neater Feeder Deluxe Mess-Proof Dog Bowls. While this bowl comes in 3 sizes, we tested the medium option and found it to be a good size for large breed puppies and medium-sized dogs. The generous size means you don't have to constantly refill the water, and the elevated design prevents pups from straining their necks. The stainless steel bowls made a minor rattling noise when dogs were eating, but this isn't a deal breaker. They're dishwasher safe, and the stand is easy to take apart and wipe clean. We like that the holder is lightweight and easy to move around, but not so flimsy that dogs knock it over. Plus, rubberized grips prevent it from sliding. We weren't a big fan of the dark brown and beige color combination, but that's a personal preference. The price is a little steep, but considering the quality and thoughtful design, we think it's a good value. Number 4. Kindtail Dog Travel Bowls. When you're traveling with your furry best friend, you need a dog bowl that's portable like the Kind Bowls Travel Dog Bowl. We tested the small bowl. There's also a large size and felt like it would work well for small or medium-sized dogs. It comes with a food and water bowl that nest within each other, so the water bowl is slightly larger and deeper than the food bowl. Due to the lightweight silicone material and handle design, it's a great travel set. We washed it in the dishwasher and saw no wear or tear. The structure of this bowl is sturdier than, say, a collapsible bowl and more closely resembles a traditional dog bowl. This travel set isn't small enough for tiny dogs but should work for the majority of dogs. Number 5. Pet Zone Elevated Dog Bowls. If you want a set of dog bowls that will grow with your dog from puppyhood to adulthood, consider the Pet Zone Elevated Dog Bowl. The black plastic base can be raised or lowered to best fit your dog's size, though the bowls are quite large and don't come in different sizes. Our dog, Carl, is a bit of a grazer and seemed content eating from this bowl throughout the day. While we only used around 4.5 cups of food during each feeding, the bowl can hold up to 7 cups. The stainless steel bowls were easy to clean and proved durable during testing, showing no signs of wear after 2 weeks. The stand was lightweight and Carl knocked it slightly while eating, but it generally seemed sturdy. We thought the stand felt a little cheap, but looked nice, and for the price, we think it's a good value.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.